Alright guys, so in this video guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can start making profit as a beginner in forex trading guys. That you don't need to buy courses, you don't need to buy strategy, right? So if you are just coming across this video guys, don't forget to turn on the subscription bell and hit on the notification button so that whenever I drop a new video you'll get notified. Alright guys, so before we start guys, let me quickly guys take you guys through my Telegram group channel. Alright, then here is our Telegram group channel guys. So you can see actually someone here has made $101 and he said making big profits, sir. So you can actually see right over here. So let me scroll down so you can see right here 54 USD was made. Say wow sir, the best robot so far. So let me still scroll down again so yeah, you can see what has been happening. You can see this one actually $105. All these are live profit guys. This is our inner circle guys, right? So which you can actually see right here. Just seeing this now is 66 USD. So actually makes 66 USD. So this one actually make $325, which you can see everything for yourself guys. So actually another person actually right here. All right, let me see, scroll down. Right, I'm scrolling down again on $18. So you can see the amazing profit every day, and this is a withdrawal of $602 that was made from our students over right here, or our users over right here guys. So you can be making consistent profit every day guys, without no stress, with zero knowledge. All what you just need to do is just for you to get a robot connected into your account. You can see this is $2,175 that was made so far guys. So like I was saying, that you don't need to buy courses, you don't need to start stressing yourself analyzing the chart. At the end of the day, the trading goes sideways guys. So every day is consistency here. Consistency is what we believe on guys. So you can start making consistent profit just like this guys. Let's go. And guys, let me take you guys through our live trading section guys. And here is our live trading section, and you can see this is a live trading account over right here. So you can see that this robot has taken trade. FxBillprobot is the robot that takes all this trade. You can actually see it's a royal account guys. So you can see so far $46, and this robot trade goes actually good only guys. This is just simple. You don't need to stress yourself, start analyzing over the day like I said, or buying courses, staying on a book. At the end of the day, we still blow up your account. So guys, let's see the outcome of this result, if this trade is going to close on profit or if this trade is going to go sideways, right? So you can see already we believe the power of consistency, because FxBill, as you can see, FxBill are the amazing robot guys. All right, boom. So you can see over right here the trade has just closed. The trade has just closed. So let's see what has happened, right? So let me take you back today. All right, today where you can see the robot has closed $10. FxBillprobot, no single loss over right here. You can see it's a real account and it's a live account xnext. So right guys, so if you have not been making profit, you have been looking for a way to make profit, just for you to get our FxBillprobot as a beginner, as a forex pro, and start making profit, please don't forget to turn on the subscription bell and subscribe. Thank you guys.